Hi guys! Happy Saturday! Come by! Christmas is coming! I'm out with my kids. We're gonna eat in the famous ramen tantamen here near my house. Itadakimasu! With gyoza, of course. Actually, this is our reward after cleaning our house. Wow! So messy! Look at this, guys! Then after that, car wash. Sobrang nakakatuwa mag-car wash dito. 電子マネーの方はリーダーにタッチしてください。エネキー。This chip and cards, we can receive 3 yen discount per liter. 3% discount. トッピングは That's 200 yen. トッピングはいかがですか？装備品があれば。Ayan, let's ready the car now. 確認ボタンを押してください。購入お客様の洗車を 800 yen! Let's go! Let's go! Alright, we're ready. Side mirror closed. Okay, I'm excited! Car wash! Wow, kakatens! Ayan na! Hurricane! Siya guys, so made up of rubber na parang brush siya. Gano. Yan. Wow! Ulat naman. Actually, order washing lang, walang drying. So, mamaya kami na lang magpupunas. Tipid-tipid. Kami car washing. Ang lamig, grabe. We're cleaning the car. Sobrang dumi. Ayan. Alisin muna natin ang ating sasakyan. Daming kaalat. Ayan, kaalat. Alis to more. Lamig, nagka-car wash kami guys. Ayan. Timing wala kami lahat pasok kaya kailangan maglinis. Linis ng bahay, linis ng car. Sama-sama sa hirap at ginawa. Sa sarap ng pagkain at sa hirap ng paglilinis. Actually, it's not mahirap. It's fun naman pag sama-sama. Diba? Mabilisan talaga ang galaw. Tenenenen, ten 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 ten.